Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks, and this is part 2 of this series. And the gentleman just emailed that I'm trying to help, and he just asked me a question because when I did it, it's not 100% right. And I'd actually kind of thought about this. So we've got our line that is our original line that was 3.771 or 377.125. That needs to be and if you didn't watch part 1, you really need to watch part 1 because I'm not going to go through the whole thing. But the bricks needs to be the top of the brick. And when you blend it, it goes to the center of that line. So that's really easily done. We need to do a pre-contour. So we're going to go to Effects, Contour, and we're going to contour half the size of the brick in width, or in it's 2.25 tall. So we're going to contour 1.25, just one step. That's going to give us a line inside that is going to be shorter in actuality. So we're going to take a 2-point line and we're going to go from that node over that node, and we're going to do the exact same thing we did earlier. Just keep in mind you need to select it all and go up to Object and break the 3 objects apart because it is a contour. Now we're going to take and delete that line. Now we can actually take and delete this line. Now the top line is what we need. So I'm going to turn the inside line black just so we'll know. I'm going to actually nudge it down, and then we can always nudge it back. So I'm going to take the copy of the 2 bricks. I'm going to make a duplicate of it. I don't have to, but I'm going to hit T and put an even on an even plane. Then I'm going to go to Effects and Blend, and I'm going to blend. I remeasured, and this line needs 213 instead of 215 on that top line. And then I'm going to go to blend along new path and blend along full path and blend and rotate object. Now, if we take this blend, and he has another question, but I just haven't figured it out yet. Let's go to object. Well, when cases like that, you need to select the entire thing, then go up to object and break the blend apart. See if we can't grab that black line. And there's that double box again, which I don't totally don't understand. I think I'm going to actually have to ungroup them. No, that did it. So there's our new line. But now we can take our red line and nudge it down. And now the bricks, you can barely see it, are underneath. Now, this is not I didn't zoom in on the first video. This isn't a perfect scenario because of the fact that it's working with those bricks that aren't, he wants them the same size. And when somebody does an arch like this, they're actually tapered bricks. So I'm going to try to figure out a way around that. But you can see now, if we take that line, let's actually back up here and take that line and make it a thicker line just so we'll be able to see it better. Let's go and make it a 0.5 millimeter line. Now, if you look, that line's right on top of the brick. So there's this, and because it's a line, it's going to be right in the middle of that arch. But as a hairline, it's going to be on top. And I think it goes all the way. Well, it doesn't go all the way to the bottom, but I think he's going to delete these bottom bricks anyway. I'm still wishing somebody would try to figure out why that hairline is thicker than this hairline. When you look at them side by side, that's a lot thicker, but they're both hairline. Tell you what, let's do this. We're having trouble grabbing that, but if we grab that and let's make them both half. See, they're both half. Now let's make them both hair. I don't know why that is. I'm going to look into that. And for the one I'm trying to help, I will look into your other problem also. Anyway, I hope that helped. Thank you for watching.